What is geothermal energy?
Geothermal energy comes from the natural heat stored beneath the Earth's surface. This heat is created by the decay of minerals and the original formation of the planet. In certain locations, it rises closer to the surface, creating reservoirs of steam or hot water. These geothermal resources can be tapped and used to produce electricity in a sustainable and reliable way.
Drilling wells to access heat.
To harness geothermal energy, wells are drilled deep into the earth, where underground heat is concentrated. These wells reach reservoirs containing hot water or steam. In some cases, rocks are already fractured, making it easier to extract the heat. In others, water is injected to create steam by contacting hot rocks underground.
How steam powers the turbine.
The hot water or steam from underground is brought to the surface through the wells. When the pressure is reduced at the surface, the hot water often immediately turns into steam. This steam is then directed towards a turbine, causing it to spin rapidly. The turbine is a key component that converts heat energy into mechanical motion.
Generating electricity.
The spinning turbine is connected to a generator, which transforms the mechanical energy into electrical energy. As the turbine blades turn, they rotate a magnet inside coils of wire inside the generator. This movement creates a flow of electricity that can then be sent through transmission lines to homes and businesses.
Returning water to the earth.
After the steam has passed through the turbine and cooled, it is often condensed back into water. This water is then pumped back underground into the geothermal reservoir. Recycling the water this way helps sustain the resource and reduces environmental impact, making geothermal power a clean and renewable energy source.